Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send money without authentication code and GCash. You can't and shouldn't. Try to bypass GCash authentication code. It's a built-in security step that protects your money and identity, so there is no legitimate method to send funds without it. Instead, if you're getting prompted for code and not arriving, try the safe fixes. Confirm the phone number on your account is correct, disable any VPNs or proxy apps, switch to mobile data or a different trusted network, make sure your SIM is inserted and has signal, tap resend code in the app, update or reinstall Gcash so notifications work, check your phone's SMS and spam folders, restore device if needed. If codes still fail, contact Gcash support via the help center, chat with Gigi, and provide your registered number and a screenshot of the error. Finally, remember small low risk transfers may sometimes complete without an extra OTP because risk-based checks but attempting to bypass authentication isn't safe and not supported. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.